Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are touching the subject of installing the PPAs in elementary OS. So in elementary OS you can add and remove PPAs. So all those PPAs that work in Ubuntu are available for your use in elementary OS. So for example, if you want to use the PPA for Pantheon tweaks in elementary OS, then you have to use the command sudo add apt repository. Don't use this R, use PPA Philip Scott Pantheon tweaks. So that will install the PPA for Pantheon tweaks, and if you want to remove it, then you have to use the -R in between. So that will remove the Pantheon tweaks PPA from the elementary OS or any Ubuntu based Linux distribution. So this should work in most of the well-known Ubuntu based Linux distributions. So here you can see it is showing us the repository type as deb. It is showing us the URIs, then suits. So this is this PPA is works or it is compatible with the Noble Numbat components is made. Here you can see the system settings panel for the Pantheon desktop environment. So this is the description for the Pantheon tweaks. More information you have to go to the launchpad.net, removing repository, and then it will just update the repositories of elementary OS. You can see it here, elementary OS 3 repositories, launchpad content elementary OS, and this is the Ubuntu repository. So that's it. This is how to add and remove repositories in elementary OS or any well-known Ubuntu based Linux distribution. This should work to install or uninstall the PPAs. So now I'm going to stop the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.